Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a pull request on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the three lines where you can click on, and here we have the home, issues, pull requests. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, you have the set status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a pull request on GitHub. So first of all, what you need to do, so creating a pull request on GitHub is a great way to contribute to a project, and here are the steps to do it. First, you need to fork the repository. So go to repository and basically like this, to the main page, and click on the fork button. You have it here in the top right corner, as you can see. Then this creates a copy of the repository in your GitHub account. Then you need to clone your repository, clone your forked repository to your local machine using the command git clone. Then create a new branch. Navigate to repository directly and create new branch for your changes. So then make your changes. So edit the files in your branch as needed. Commit your changes, so stage and commit your changes with a descriptive message, which could be git add, git commit. Then you post your changes and create a pull request by going to your fork repository in GitHub. You should see a prompt to create a pull request. Click compare and pull request and provide the title and description and click create pull request. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.